Let's be honest. Cleaning the house feels like a full-time job, doesn't it? And the kitchen, it's like the ultimate hotspot for crumbs, spills, and who knows what hiding in every corner. Today, I'm tackling one of the sneakiest culprits, the utensil drawer. Let me be real with you. Finding time to keep everything clean can be such a struggle. Sometimes, I feel like my house has to look like no one actually lives here, and that's just not realistic. But this little trick, it's my go-to solution for keeping things manageable. You know, the place where crumbs go to retire. But don't worry, I've got a quick and easy method to clean it without turning your kitchen into a construction zone. We all know deep cleans are important. That means pulling everything out, washing the organizers, wiping down the inside of the drawer, drying everything, and putting it all back. It's thorough, but honestly, who has time for that every week? Not me. Instead, I have a solution for those in-between times when you just need a quick refresh. Here's the star of the show, my WORX Cube Vacuum. I keep it right in my kitchen cabinet because it's small, lightweight, and always ready to go. You can use any small vacuum, but I personally love this one because it fits into those tight spaces where crumbs love to hide. When I notice crumbs starting to build up, I just grab this little gadget, open the drawer, and let it work its magic. In less than a minute, those pesky crumbs are gone. No mess, no fuss, and I'm back to my day without missing a beat. For those times when a light vacuum just won't cut it, you'll want to do a full clean. This means pulling out all the utensils, washing the organizers, and giving the drawer a good scrub. But for everyday maintenance, this vacuum hack keeps things looking neat and tidy without the effort of a full overhaul. Here's how simple it is. Open the utensil drawer. Take out your trusty vacuum, run it along the bottom and corners of the drawer to pick up crumbs and debris. That's it. You don't even have to remove the organizers or utensils unless you want to go the extra mile. This method is perfect for a quick touch-up. If you're curious about what organizer I use to keep everything so tidy, I've included a live link below for both the WORX Cube Vacuum and my drawer organizer. These tools have made all the difference in keeping my kitchen clean and functional. I even have a separate video dedicated to organizing drawers like this, so be sure to check it out for more tips and ideas. There you have it, my quick and easy way to clean your utensil drawer. This little trick has saved me so much time, and it keeps the kitchen looking spotless with minimal effort. Here's an extra tip from me. If you're already cleaning the drawer, take a quick second to wipe down the edges and handles. These areas collect grime too and can make a big difference in keeping your kitchen looking fresh. Also, if you're dealing with stubborn crumbs stuck in the corners, a soft bristle towelbrush works wonders to loosen them up before vacuuming. It's a simple hack that makes a world of difference. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cleaning hacks and home tips. Do you have a go-to cleaning hack? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. If you're on a roll with kitchen organization, don't stop now. Head over to my next video where I'll walk you through organizing your baking sheets like a total pro. I'll share tips to save space, keep things neat, and make your kitchen work even better for you. Plus, it's easier than you think. Don't forget to check out my other videos for even more cleaning and organizing inspiration. There's always a new idea to try, and I'd love to have you join me on this journey to a more organized home. Happy cleaning, and I'll see you next time.